Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another venture into wings. This will make a great dinner. It'll make a great party snack, great for the games. So let's get into it. Today we are making smoked Chipotle Strawberry Wings. First of all, I have my wings out here. I've cut the tips off, separated the flat and the drummy. Now we're going to hit them with a little bit of salt and pepper. And then a little bit of chipotle pepper. So be careful. If you have people that don't like heat, then the best way to do this is measure out a little bit of it. That way it keeps you honest and you don't get too much. You don't go crazy.
Don't do that.
So I'm gonna get about half a teaspoon in my little palm here. Ooh. That deep, smoky, earthy flavor, aroma. We'll get these dusted. Now we're gonna flip them. Do the same thing to the other side, and then it's out to the smoker. We'll see you out there. All right, we're out here at my Yoder YS640S pellet grill. It is preheated to 425 degrees. I put the wings on this wire rack because it makes it very easy. Just gonna put that whole thing in there. We're gonna let those wings cook for about 35 minutes. We're going to go inside. We have a few things to do, make the sauce, and then we'll pull these off and do some stuff to them in a little bit. So let me get these on and let's get in and make that sauce. Easy day, and my paws are still clean. Okay, inside. All right, the bird's on the smoker. Let's get working on the sauce. First thing I'm gonna do is take a little bit of butter and about half an onion that's diced up. We're gonna get that browned in a skillet. We're gonna saute it for about 5 minutes till it's good and translucent. Then we'll move on to the next step for making the sauce. We'll see you then. Our onions are done. Let's put the sauce together. Now, as always, loyal viewers, all the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions are down below in the description section. So, into a blender goes our onions, our strawberries that have been hulled, which is just a fancy way of saying we cut the green stuff off the top of them.
He speaks the truth.
Some diced chipotles and adobo, some pomegranate molasses, a good healthy pinch of salt and pepper, and the juice of half a lime, grown and picked here at the Oasis, headquarters of the Galley of the Sun. All right, before I blend this, it's time to remind you, you can hit that subscribe button and become a sunscriber. We would love it. Hit that like button. Leave us a comment. What is your favorite wings? We love wings. Possibilities are endless. Let us know. Maybe we'll try it. Let's get that mixed up. It's looking beautiful. Give it a quick taste. Make sure we got the salt and pepper right. Oh, that's going to be phenomenal. All righty. We'll see you when it's time for the next step. Got to wait for those wings to finish smoking. We'll see you then. Got the wings off the smoker. Now let's get them sauced. Get them all tossed here, fully coated. Oh, the aroma that's coming off of this. If it tastes as good as it smells, we're in there. Okay, back on the tray. Now back out to the smoker, still at 425 degrees for another 10 minutes to get that sauce set. After that, the director will render judgment. We'll see you then. All right, here we are. Time for the moment of truth.
Excellent flavor. Good smoke.
Good. Yeah, I can see the smoke. I was wondering, can you taste the strawberries?
Yeah, it has a hint of sweet to it.
Okay, very cool. So it's a winner? All right, hey, there you go. Smoked Chipotle Strawberry Wings. I hope you enjoyed what you saw today. Until we see you next time, fair winds and falling seas.